It's a beautiful day here in Bolgheri on the Tuscan coast, and I want to introduce you to the new 6 recipes for the upcoming cooking season. I have selected 6 recipes to make the best use of the ingredients in season now. We'll start the season with the winter salad made with radicchio, roasted squash, caramelized pears, and a spice vinaigrette where we'll add also orange juice. It's very delicious. The second recipe will feature a potato and butternut squash crumble. In Italian, it's a sformato di zucche e patate, and we are going to layer roasted creamy butternut squash with potatoes, cheese, and top everything with the garlic crumble. So good. Number 3, we're gonna make spinach stuffed crespelle with gorgonzola sauce. I'll teach you how to make the perfect batter for crespelle and fill them with spinach and ricotta and top them with the delicious gorgonzola sauce. Number 4, I'm going to bring you some sweet happiness in your home. We are going to make together vigliaccio, a citrus-infused semolina pudding cake. This dessert is typical from my hometown, Napoli. Number 5, numero 5. You'll master handmade pasta from scratch. We are going to make the dough together, craft tagliolini, thin fettuccine, and season them with a rich butter lemony sauce. The last class, number 6, will feature a typical soup from Livorno, the region where we live. It's a Tuscan kale polenta and bean soup. Can you believe we have already shared over 90 live classes and 4 years of cooking together? All these classes are free and always available to our members on replay. See you in my kitchen, nella mia cucina.